Welcome to Go Natural Jamaica. We are honored to share this natural tropical sanctuary with you. We're located in the heart of nature on the beautiful island of Jamaica, right on your own private beach. We invite you to come and immerse yourself in well-being. Soak in nature's healing power. Leave your agenda behind and listen to what your heart desires. Meditate on the beach. Grow your yoga practice with experienced teachers. Read a soulful book. Learn how to make your own natural products and cosmetics as you detox your body. Meet wonderful people from all around the world as you nourish your body with pure, whole food. You'll fall asleep to the sound of waves, and every morning when you wake up, just walk a few steps to catch the sunrise over the ocean. Our family and our staff put our hearts into giving you an experience of complete well-being at Go Natural Jamaica. We're so excited to share this gem in paradise with you.